Hello everyone, today I will demonstrate you how to execute jQuery hide and show effects in your HTML web page. Here I am using Sublime Text Editor. In this title tag I will mention demo page as a title. Then within this header tag I will include one script tag. In this script tag I will mention src, that is source attribute, and in source attribute I will pass a particular value, that is http://ajax dot googleapis.com slash ajax slash libs slash jQuery slash. Here I need to mention the version of jQuery that I am going to implement in this web page, and I am using 3.5.1 version. Then again slash jQuery.min.js. Then in body tag I will create one registration page. Using h3 heading tag I will mention heading as a registration page. Then below this header tag I will include form tag. In the form tag I will first include input tag having attribute as a text. I will use this input tag to enter username. Therefore in type attribute I have mentioned text as a type, and in name I have mentioned username. Again I will include placeholder and I will pass a message enter username. Because of this placeholder, user will understand they need to enter their appropriate username in this text field. Here I will include break tag so that next element will be appear on next line in my web page. Again I will include another input tag. In type attribute I will mention text, and in name attribute I will mention pwd. Since I am going to use this text field to enter password, in placeholder attribute I will mention enter password. And finally I will include submit button. In type attribute I will mention submit. Here I will include value attribute, and in value attribute I will mention register, so that when the submit button will appear in my web page, its value will be register. Now I want to apply hide and show effects on this registration page. So I will include two buttons. Using button tag I will include one hide button, and in next line again using button tag I will include show button. So when user will click on this hide button, this registration page will get hide, and when user will click on show button, this registration web page will again appear. In this button tag I will mention ID as a selector, In id I will include hide text. Again, in second button tag, here again I will mention id selector. In this id I will pass a value that is show. Now within this head tag, after this script tag, I will include another script tag. In this script tag I will write the jQuery code for hide and show effects. So here I need to mention dollar, open parenthesis, close parenthesis. Within this dollar I will include document. Then using dot operator I will call here ready function. In this ready function I will mention function, open parenthesis, close parenthesis, then open curly brace and close curly brace. Then dollar, open parenthesis, close parenthesis. Here within double quote I will mention hide as a id selector. Hash hide, and using dot operator I will call click event. Then within this click event I will pass one parameter, function, open parenthesis, close parenthesis, open curly brace, close curly brace. Here again dollar, open parenthesis, close parenthesis, within double quote I will mention form tag. So when I will click on this hide button, this registration form need to be disappear from web page. So using dot operator I will call hide effect. This is a jQuery effect. When I will click on hide button, this, with the help of this hide effect, this registration form will disappear. Again, when I will click on this show button, this registration web page need to be appear again. So here I will use show id selector in next factory function. Dollar, open parenthesis, close parenthesis, this is a factory function. Within double quote I will mention hash show id. Again with the help of dot operator I will call click event. In this click event I will pass one parameter, function, open parenthesis, close parenthesis, open curly brace, close curly brace, dollar. Again in this factory function I will mention form tag, and with the help of dot operator I will call show effect. So this is a jQuery code to execute hide and show effect. Now I will run this page on web browser. So this is a registration page. Here I will place some gap between register and hide button. To do that, after this register button I will mention break tag. Again I will refresh this page. So when I will click on hide button, you can see that this registration page has disappeared from this web file. And again, to make this registration page appear again, I will click on show button. So when I had clicked on show button, particular registration page has appeared again. You can simultaneously click on hide and show button. Whenever you will click on hide, that particular registration page will disappear, and when user will click on show button, registration page will be shown to the user again. So this is jQuery hide and show effects. Thank you so much everyone for watching this video.